Broadcom's philosophy from day one is do the impossible.
Instant on, automatic internet connectivity.
We create technology that enables people to talk to each other, to connect with each other, and to share connecting people, not just things.
Broadcom's co-founders, along with its current CEO, say the company that Henry Samueli started with Henry Nicholas 20 years ago made all the right choices.
When we got our first contracts in and we were able to hire people and build a staff, I mean, that's really when things got very exciting.
Our managers, they all had their principal academic background as engineers.
Those right choices meant Broadcom was soon well on its way to success.
We set a record for growing to $1 billion faster than any U.S. company.
The company's successful products are not well known, but are inside practically anything related to cable, the internet, and cell phones.
Any person that is using any form of communication device, whether it's a cell phone or a computer or whatever, where that information does not pass through a Broadcom chip somewhere in the network.
Now celebrating 20 years in business, the company is looking forward to the challenges of its next 20 years.
People know that they want information and they want rich multimedia information. There is no end to people's thirst for broadband.
We've partnered with all of those companies to not only figure out how to quickly get the content into the home and out of the home, but also how to transport it around the home. Automotive is an example where it will catch up to the same connectivity level that we're now seeing in the home. Ford is designing our wireless LAN combination chips into a number of its cars coming out, and so within the car itself you'll have a wireless LAN with a broadband connection, and you can enable not only devices within the car to talk to each other, but being able to get on the internet as well when you're in your car.
It will become standard in every phone within 5 years, that you'll have high-definition camera capability in your cell phone.
The trend of electronics becoming lower cost and being part of more things, people being connected everywhere with high bandwidth, people being able to use things like encryption technology, location technology, connectivity technology to be able to do business, to be able to interact with each other, and to keep the fraud and the bad guys at sort of a reasonable level.
You have to envision 2 to 3 years into the future what is the customer going to need in his product, and then start designing that today. So it takes a lot of guessing, a lot of visionary work to try to predict the future, which is of course difficult to do, and there is a lot of guesswork involved. But if you look at the trends of how much bandwidth is traversing the internet every year, it is an unbelievable growth rate.
Mark Eades reporting for OCRegister.com.